Okay, so moving on with the second task, it says here to sort the movies in descending order of total earnings within ascending order of genre. You need to know that descending is the same as going from, let me just do this in brackets, from Z to A, so it's in reverse alphabetical order, or it's from highest number to lowest number. So that's what descending means, okay? Let me just highlight this separately. Let me just do this. Z to A or highest to lowest. So that's what descending means. And then where you see ascending, then that's the other way around. That is A to Z, and then it's the other way around. It's lowest to highest. Okay? So you just need to remember that. Okay? I don't know, it might help it if you if you know that a plane descends, that means it's coming down. Then that means something is coming from top to bottom. So the later on in the alphabet coming backwards, or the higher the number coming lower. So just know you're descending from your ascending. Okay. So this task actually has two sorts happening. It's on two levels. So it says sort the movies in descending order of total earnings. So descending order of total earnings. So total earnings is here. So the money. So in reverse order of this. So from highest to lowest here. And what else does it say? Within ascending order of genre. So if it says within something, then that means you do that second bit first. So genre has to be sorted in ascending order first, and then after that, the total earnings will be sorted in descending order. Don't ask why they want it a certain way or whatever, just be able to do it for now. So we're just going to make sure we are able to do that. So first of all, just double check your data is looking all right. I just noticed that when I put my Lego movie animation data in, this is right aligned and everything else is left aligned. That's probably because the data type's a bit different. So just make sure if you right click one of the data types that already existed and go to format cells, I can see it's currently set as general, so that's fine, whatever. If I select this one now and right click it and go to format cells, it's general as well. So what I'm going to do, I know it's a number, so I'm just going to select all of them. I also know it's currency as well. You are asked to do currency later on, but you can do it now if you want to. But just to make sure that things are formatted as they're meant to be. For now, let me just leave it as number. I'll do the currency when he asks me to do currency. And just to make sure it's looking the same, maybe just where we gone, left align it. And then if it has something that looks like an error message coming up, don't worry too much about it. But you can see this little green flag here. That means there's just some inconsistency with the formatting. It should be fine. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. So just just troop on with it anyway. Okay, fine. So just make sure that the data type is fine before you actually go ahead and sort, just in case things get a bit funny. Right. So let's have a look very quickly. We can do this. So two levels of sort. So we will do, remember if it says within, we do the second one first, the thing after within, we do that first. So ascending order of genre. So this in alphabetical order, this column. So what you do is just select the whole thing. We know that the top one is our headings. We know these are our headings, but you can just include it anyway. And I'll show you what you do. So let me enlarge this actually. So under data, you've got these buttons here. Click on sort, and then you select genre. And we're doing genre A to Z. We're doing in an ascending order, A to Z. Okay. When we do that and click OK, it's put in alphabetical order: action, adventure, all the adventure films, comedy, and so on, blah, 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 blah. Okay, lovely. And you can see here with action, all the action films. This is in whatever order, that's in whatever order, that's in whatever order. This is in, it looks like it's in order as well. But just to make sure that we're doing it correctly, select your data again. And we'll just double check what the other thing is they want us to do. They want us to put it in descending order of total earnings. Now that we've done that, descending order of total earnings. So if we go back here, you can actually do both steps in one move, but I've just cut it up into two. But when you do this, you can actually add level, and then say total earnings. is going to be in reverse order, Z to A. So first make sure the whole thing is sorted by genre, A to Z, and then, so that's ascending, and then total earnings, Z to A, which is descending. Yeah, A to Z is for words, letters, and numbers, and Z to A is for words, letters, and numbers as well. So I know it doesn't look like this is going to sort numbers, but it is. It's in reverse order. Okay, so when you click OK, sort anything that looks like a number, yes. And then it has done that. So if I look here now, then you can see that these numbers are in descending order, so highest to lowest, yeah? So we've got 623 million, 459 million, 408 million, 0.9, 408 million, 0.08, 198 million. So that's done it perfectly in order. And the same with these now. Same with that. We've got so many adventures, but you can see that it starts off with 936 million, and then it goes down, 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 down to 282 million for just the adventure. So this has sorted it perfectly as we wanted it to be sorted. So that's how you do 2 levels of sort.